mini Santa, and for this take first one white piece and red above. Next put one red here and another here. Next we will put one piece here, one here and another one here, like this. Next we will put two pieces above, one red here, another one here. Next row we will put three white pieces, red pieces, like this. I glue all these pieces like this. Next row we will put four white pieces, next row we will put three pink pieces like this and one white here and another white here, like this. Next row we will put one black piece above this pink, one pink above this pink and one black above this pink. Next row we will put four pink pieces like this. Glue very well these pieces like this. Next row we close with white piece like this. Then one pink, one red, one pink and close here with white piece like this. Next row we will put four white pieces like this. Glue very well. Next row we close here like this and three white pieces like this and close with red like this. Next row we will put two white pieces like this, one red here, another red here, one red here, another red here. Next row we put one white, one red here, another one red here, one red here, another one red here, one red here and one red here, like this. Next row we put 6 red pieces. Next, glue this magnet here with fabric glue.